Today, I show you how to score extreme vacation savings, how to get to sold out properties, and always secure a suite. No fine print, no asterisks, just one website that will make a world of difference for all of your travel moving forward. Hello, I am the YouTube deal guy, Matt Granite from mattsdailydeals.com. Not subscribed? You don't have your notifications turned on? Well, if you turn those notifications on, you'll find out if you win any of my giveaways. Today, I'm just giving out free advice, but I give all the other products I test away for free. Make sure you do subscribe to this channel. Now, I travel every week. I travel extensively. In fact, I have so many travel points accumulated, I do one massive trip with my family every month. That's Europe, that's different continents. I guess Europe would be a different continent. That's all sorts of travel and ski trips. I'm an idiot. And I'm very excited because this is a resource that I use. Now, before I get to the website, I'm not going to talk about timeshares. I'm merely going to show you a website that shows you how to rent someone else's timeshare at the top properties around the world. Reminder, what is a timeshare? It means someone has bought a 1-week vacation period that they own every year until they sell it, and it's all prepaid. So companies like Hyatt and Marriott and other wonderful companies, including the Ritz, allow these people to have a full week of vacation at all of their favorite properties every year. What happens is many of these people find out that they can't go, life changes, flights are too expensive, and then they have the ability to legally rent their timeshares. All hotels allow you to do it. Anyone allows you to rent your timeshare. When you rent into someone else's timeshare, you get top suites at top properties, and there is a highly reputable way to not only cut your costs on all of this travel, but if you want to go to Aruba, if you want to go skiing, if you want to get into sold out hotels and score the top accommodations for your whole family, I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Head over to mattsdailydeals.com. There you're going to find a pop-up box. Add your name right here. You will find out if you win any of my giveaways. You're going to find deals, blogs, coupons. All of my recent deals are located right here. If you do click on the blog post, you'll be taken to my favorite resource for today. Now, my favorite resource for today is called RedWeek. Now, this is great for people that want to sell timeshares. Awesome. But as you can see, I have an account. This is a website I use all the time to rent other people's timeshares, meaning I get a nightly rate and fixed accommodations in a top suite at a top property. Scroll to the top and click timeshare rentals, not resales. What I'm showing you right now is how to score incredible suites at the top properties. And let's type Disney because that's very, very popular. Let's go to Disney Vacation Club, search rentals, and let's look at all of the rentals available right now for rates as low as $114. Let's look at Disney's Boardwalk Villas. And for example, if we wanted to go in April at $190 a night, you have the ability to do that. You can also see the view. And for a lot of these accommodations, like this one right here, you're getting fixed accommodations where they tell you get a queen, you get a sleeper sofa, and you get a Murphy bed in this case, and then all of the other features. If you're not yet blown away by what I'm showing you, let me actually break down the price comparison. Let's discuss something more expensive, like a Marriott and Aruba. If we were to check into this property right now for between February 3rd and February 10th, 2020, I'm going to get a rate of $168. If we head over to Marriott's website, not only is this property sold out, but for me to get a regular hotel room within the same vicinity, you can see the addresses are almost identical, $643 a night. Just to remind you, I'm finding rates for the same dates at significantly less, as low as $168 depending on what type of accommodation you check. The prices go up based on how many beds and bathrooms you happen to have. But those are substantial savings. You're also not getting a hotel room in most cases, you're getting a suite. Let's look at another example. Let's look at the Hyatt High Sierra Lodge. This is a 2-bedroom suite. I've actually stayed here. It's spectacular. And you get a 2-bedroom suite that sleeps 8 with 2 full bathrooms. In addition to this, the rate that I would be locking in at this prime ski week right now, February 8th to February 15th, is $286. That also takes into account Valentine's Day, which is a very expensive time of the year. $286 is the rate that I get from RedWeek. For the exact same accommodations from Hyatt.com, let's look at the dates again, the exact same dates, February 8th to February 15th, for the exact same suite, $500 a night. Again, $500 a night from Hyatt.com for a 2-bedroom suite. The exact same suite, $286 for the same dates from redweek.com. For all of these reservations that you can make, you are also protected by the Red Week guarantee. So if you've ever shopped Best Buy or different other websites like eBay that have a buyer protection, this website does as well. Not only do I use this website extensively, but they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau and tons of very highly well-regarded customer reviews. They've got great customer service. They're not paying me to talk about them. There's no affiliate rip that I get by using this. I'm just merely passing along travel advice. So if you are looking to save some serious money, this is best suited for families. Yes, you can find great deals on hotel rooms from Hotwire and Expedia and many different other mechanisms that I use in my travel, but you're not usually getting a suite. When you are renting a vacation timeshare, unless it's specified as a studio, you are always getting a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom suite. And for us, when we travel, we can have the parents in 1 bedroom, my daughter in the other room, and as we expand our other family, that other bedroom has 2 beds in it, plus there's a sofa bed. So I'm always traveling with accommodations that would cost significantly less than a hotel room, and yet I'm getting a big suite. And you don't always have to rent a week. Sometimes you can get a couple of nights here and there, but this is a great resource that will make a substantial amount of difference for your upcoming travel. Set up a free account. You can set it up through Google or Facebook. Just sign in, and if you don't even want to sign in, just make sure you're searching the rentals. If you're searching the timeshare resales, that's a whole different thing. Those have a completely different price and that you're signing up for a timeshare. This is just a one-time only rental with no strings attached. Thanks for watching. If you're not yet subscribed to this channel, I would love you to do that, but also leave me a comment. Let me know of any trips that you have coming up. And if you want to see my travels as they continue to unravel, follow me on Instagram, where I'm the Deal Guy. I post a vacation pic for one of our trips every month, all of which are free. Okay, here's how you can subscribe. Click on my oversized head right here. That'll subscribe you to this channel. If you need help turning on your notifications, demo up there. And the last big roundup of deals I did right over here.